Namaste. Welcome to Manas Lifestyle Resort Igatpuri. For over 2 decades, the Manas Lifestyle Resort has been an iconic landmark in Igatpuri. And since the inception of the resort, we have made sure we offer our guests an experience par excellence. The world today is fast changing into a new normal. We have embraced that change and are ready to welcome you back. Every guest that walks into the hotel will be requested for mandatory temperature checks, and all luggage will be wiped down with a sanitizer and disinfected. We also ensure a contactless check-in as far as possible, making sure all items like pens, room keys, etc. are sanitized before being handed over at the counter. We have worked towards redefining our cleaning and safety standards for all rooms. We have a personal sanitization kit placed in each room for our guests to use while they decide to explore in and around the resort. Every corner of the room is cleaned and disinfected prior to the arrival of the guest using only medically grade approved cleaning products. These products are used to wipe down and or dust the fixtures, furnishing and glass surfaces in the rooms. Every associate is trained to be a safety champ and has a protocol in place to make sure all surfaces in public areas are disinfected as many times as possible with approved chemicals. In fact, we have strict sanitization procedures set in place for the associates right from the time they enter the resort. Protocols have also been put in place for orders placed through in-room dining or extras required in-room from housekeeping. Seating at our restaurants follows social distancing norms by making sure tables are strategically placed. Our resort specializes in destination weddings, and your events at our beautiful banquet venues are planned keeping in mind hygiene and social distancing, with sanitization at all entry points and a small list of to-dos for your guests during your event. We hope you have a pleasant stay at the resort.